Do you feel completely bogged down by work even though you worked all week long? Did you know that it's probably a bunch of small 10 to 15-minute tasks that you're doing that are repetitive that are actually making you busier? And it can take up to 15 minutes to refocus on something that's more important for your job or business. Well, that is why at AWeber, we are doing the Automate One Thing Challenge for the rest of this summer. Automation can be one of the most amazing tools to help you save time, be more productive, and actually refocus that time back on things for your business or career that can help you make more money. Now, if you're a super techie person or if you have not ever set up an automation before, it doesn't matter. Throughout the rest of the summer, we are going to be doing tutorials, tips, explanations, and showing you actual ways that you can set up these automations for yourself in a way that are really interesting and useful. Now, follow along by clicking the link in the description. You can get emails, you can follow along via our social channels or on YouTube. And as soon as you do that first automation, we want to hear about it. We want to know what you set up that actually made your life easier.